Hi everyone! If you are watching this video, it means you'll be joining us at AI Week 2026. In this video tutorial, we'll see how to download your ticket to take part in the event and how to use the dedicated app. After purchasing one or more AI Week passes, you'll receive a confirmation email. Inside, you'll find the Assign Your Pass button. Click on it. You'll be redirected to the web app where your email will already be pre-filled. Click Confirm to proceed. At this point, you'll need to create your password. Remember that, for security reasons, it must meet the following requirements. Minimum 12 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character. Once you are in, you'll find yourself on the page of Purchased Ticket under the My Order section. From here, you can decide who to assign them to, either to yourself or to the other people. To assign yourself a pass, click Assign Pass, select the Assign Badge to Myself box, and enter all the required information. You'll immediately receive a confirmation email. Instead, to assign a pass to other people, click again on Assign the Pass, but without ticking Assign the Badge to Myself. Enter the recipient's information and click Send by email to send the pass. The mandatory data to enter are first name, last name, and email. If you don't know all the other details, don't worry. The recipient will be able to edit them on their own after logging in. One important note: once the recipient has viewed the email with their QR code pass, it will no longer be possible to edit their data or reassign the pass to someone else. If, on the other hand, the person hasn't yet opened their QR code pass, you can click on Assign the Pass again and freely reassign the pass to another person. When you receive the pass assignment email, click on Get Your Pass with QR Code. From here, complete your profile. If you want to network during the fair, click on Allow Networking. Enter your preferences. You can tick both what you are looking for and what you offer. Our algorithm will use this information to suggest the people most aligned with your goals among those attending the fair. At this point, you are ready to download the AI Week app, available both for iOS and Android, and log in with the credential you have just set. But how to download the pass from the app? Click on the icon at the bottom center, the one with the QR code. Then click on My Badge tab, and the page will open with your QR code pass, ready to be shown at the entrance of the fair. If you have a VIP pass, a privilege pass, or an investor pass, you have the advantage of being able to book your seat at some of the stages. Bookings are only available for stages 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How to book a speech? Click on the small calendar icon next to the speech you are interested in, and when the booking is confirmed, the icon will turn into a calendar with a checkmark, and the speech will be added automatically to My Agenda section of the app. Our advice: study the program in advance and book all the events you are interested in, so you don't miss any important appointments. In the exhibitor section, you can view the exact location of the companies you are interested in within the fair. You'll be able to find the exhibitor through the interactive map. In the map section, you can view the exact location of the companies you are interested in within the fair. The networking section is the heart of your relational experience at AI Week. Here you'll find three main areas. My contacts: anyone you've already initiated a connection request with, accepted, pending, on reject contacts. All contacts: the complete list of all the people with an AI Week pass who have accepted the networking. Suggested contacts: the people our algorithm selects for you based on your interest. By clicking on the QR code icon, you'll access a section with a dual function. On the left, you can view and share your badge, showing it to the other attendees. In the center, you can scan the QR code of people you meet at the fair. All scanned contacts are automatically saved in My Scan section, so you can easily find them even after the event. We've covered everything you need to make the most of the event. See you at the AI Week.